What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be trying a Starbucks drink for you. So I was trying to figure out what kind of Starbucks drink I was going to try today, and I honestly was kind of conflicted, but I found a chai cream frappuccino, and I remember how much I loved the chai tea latte. And I was like, I want to know how the chai frappuccino tastes. So that's what we're going to be trying today. I'm super excited. It's really hot outside, so I figured a cold drink would be perfect. So yeah, if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Hey, can I get a tall chai cream frappuccino? I don't understand why the lighting has to be so bad when I order, but then like I come right here and I look so good. Honestly, yeah, it's true. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Okay guys, so I cannot speak. So here I have the chai tea frappuccino. I'm so excited for this. If you don't know me, tea is literally my favorite thing ever. I love tea so much. I almost bought a chai tea, I forget what brand it was, a Thai tea drink today, and you can have it like hot or cold, and it looked really cool, and I was like, I really want to try it, but I stopped myself from buying it. I'm probably gonna buy it tomorrow. It's fine, but I wanted to try this because if I like this, I'm going to cry. So I got a tall. It was $4 and something cents or something like that, but here we go. Oh my God. This is so good. I love chai tea so much. I literally cannot speak today. Chai tea is my favorite. This is so good. I'm definitely gonna be finishing this. It's amazing. You should definitely try it. It's literally like iced chai tea, but like a milkshake form almost, and it's just delicious. It's perfect for a hot day like today. Like today I'm sweating. It's so freaking hot. I have no AC, like I said, in my car, and this cools me down. It tastes amazing. I'm definitely gonna be getting this again, honestly, like 100% getting it again. This summer I'm gonna be like my new drink. I love it so much. This is a 10 out of 10. Hannah recommend. Definitely go get it. If you like chai. If you don't like chai, then I obviously don't recommend it for you, but if you do, definitely go try it. If you've tried this, if you like chai, definitely tell me down below. I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos. I have a lot of video ideas coming up, like so many videos, it's not even funny. So definitely subscribe to stay tuned for those. And thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.